Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. The graph of y equals to ax square positive 10 is shown in the xy plane above. If the area of square ABCD is 400, what is the value of A? Okay, we have the area of this square ABCD, that is 400, and we have to get the value of this constant A that we have in the equation of the parabola. Okay, since the area of the square ABCD is 400, to get the length of each side of the square, we have to take square root of the area. So that is square root of 400. The value of square root of 400 is just 20. So that is the length of each side of the square is 20. That is the length of the side AD is 20, and the length of the side DC is also 20. And also we can consider the parabola we have here. We have the vertex of the parabola on the y-axis. So that is y-axis is the axis of symmetry for the parabola. That is y-axis divides the parabola into two equal parts. And also we have two of the vertices of the square and the parabola. Since y-axis is the axis of symmetry for the parabola, so and also we have two of the vertices of the square and the parabola, so this y-axis will divide the square into two equal parts. That is, the y-axis will divide the length of the side AD into two equal parts. We know that the length of the side AD is 20, then the length of OA is 10, the length of OD is also 10. So since the length of OD is 10 and here we have origin, so we'll have the value 10 on the x-axis over here. Since the length of CD is 10 and here we have the value 20 on the y-axis. Then we can consider the x-coordinate and y-coordinate of the point C. X-coordinate is clearly the value on the x-axis corresponding to the point C, that is 10, and y-coordinate is the value on the y-axis corresponding to the point C, that is 20. Okay, now I got the point C 10, 20, and we have this point C and the parabola. Since we have this point C and the parabola, we can plug in this x-coordinate and y-coordinate into the equation of the parabola. That is, we have to plug in this x-coordinate 10 for x over here and y-coordinate 20 for y over here. Then I'm getting 20 equals to A times 10 square positive 10. Then we get 20 equals to the value of 10 square is 100. 100 times A is 100 A positive 10. Okay, let me subtract 10 from both sides. When I do so, this positive 10, negative 10 will cancel out. When I combine 20, negative 10, I am getting 10 equals to 100 A. Okay, let me divide both sides of this equation by 100. When I do so, this 100 will cancel out. 10 goes into 10 one times and 10 goes into 100 10 times. I am getting 1 over 10 on the left side. On the right side, we have A. Okay, I got the value of A. The value of A is 1 over 10.